Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to unprotect your posts on X, also known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. If your account has been set so only approved followers can see your posts and you're ready to make them public again, this quick guide will walk you through every step. First, open x.com in your browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main page, look at the left-hand side menu. There, you'll see several options find and click on the More icon with 3 dots. This will open a drop-down menu with extra settings. Next, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account and privacy controls are located. Once inside, click on Privacy and Safety from the menu on the left panel. This section manages who can see your content and how your activity on X is shared. From there, click on Audience, Media, and Tagging. This part controls who can view your posts, how your media appears, and who can tag you in photos. Now, look for the option labeled Protect Your Posts. If your tweets are currently protected, you'll notice that the box next to this option is checked. To unprotect your posts, simply uncheck that box. When you do this, X will ask you to confirm the change. Click Save or follow the prompt to finalize it. Once you've unchecked that box, your post will become visible to everyone, not just your followers. This means your future posts, replies, and interactions can all be viewed publicly. Make sure this is what you want before confirming, especially if visibility matters to your content or privacy preferences. And that's all it takes. You have now unprotected your post on X using your PC. The changes apply instantly, so your account is now public again. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same settings and recheck the box to make your post private once more. Thanks for watching.